Marketing is a broad term that refers to the activities, processes, and strategies used to promote and sell products or services. It involves understanding customer needs and wants, developing and delivering value propositions, and building strong customer relationships to achieve business objectives. Marketing encompasses various aspects, including market research, product development, pricing, distribution channels, advertising, public relations, branding, and sales. It aims to create awareness and generate interest in a product or service, persuade potential customers to make a purchase, and ultimately build customer loyalty and satisfaction. Effective marketing involves identifying target markets and understanding consumer behavior to tailor messages and offerings to specific audiences. It often utilizes market research techniques to gather data and insights about customers, competitors, and market trends. This information is then used to develop marketing strategies and tactics that align with the organization's goals and objectives. In today's digital age, marketing has also expanded to include online and digital channels. Digital marketing utilizes various online platforms, such as websites, social media, search engines, email marketing, and mobile applications, to reach and engage with a wider audience. Successful marketing strategies often involve creating a strong brand identity, establishing a unique value proposition, communicating the benefits of products or services effectively, and building long-term relationships with customers. It is an ongoing process that requires monitoring and adjusting strategies based on market dynamics and customer feedback. Overall, marketing plays a crucial role in driving business growth, expanding market reach, and ensuring customer satisfaction. It is a dynamic and ever-evolving field that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and adaptability to stay competitive in today's marketplace. Marketing is a broad term that refers to the activities, strategies, and processes involved in promoting, selling, and distributing products or services to target customers. It encompasses various activities such as market research, product development, pricing, advertising, sales, and customer relationship management. The primary goal of marketing is to attract and retain customers by understanding their needs and wants and offering them products or services that fulfill those needs. Effective marketing strategies aim to create awareness, generate interest, drive customer engagement, and ultimately lead to conversions and sales. Market research: this involves gathering and analyzing data about customers, competitors, and market trends to identify opportunities and make informed marketing decisions. Target market: defining a specific group of customers who are most likely to be interested in and purchase a product or service. This helps tailor marketing efforts to reach the intended audience effectively. Marketing mix: this refers to the set of marketing tactics or 4Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. It involves developing the right product, setting an appropriate price, choosing the right distribution channels, and promoting the product effectively. Branding: building a strong brand image and identity that distinguishes a product or service from competitors and creates a positive perception in the minds of consumers. Advertising and promotion: communicating the value and benefits of a product or service to the target audience through various channels such as television, radio, print media, digital advertising, social media, public relations, and direct marketing. Digital marketing: leveraging online channels and platforms to reach and engage with customers, including website optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and online advertising. Customer relationship management, CRM: building and maintaining strong relationships with customers through personalized communication, customer support, and ongoing engagement to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Marketing analytics: utilizing data and metrics to measure and evaluate marketing efforts, track performance, and make data-driven decisions for optimizing marketing strategies. Effective marketing requires a deep understanding of the target market, the ability to adapt to changing consumer behavior and preferences, and the use of innovative and creative approaches to stand out in a crowded marketplace. It's important to note that marketing strategies can vary depending on factors such as the nature of the product or service, target market demographics, industry dynamics, and available